White Mountain Bagel. Enter here to place your order. Food pickup is through the second door. Okay. No, babe, over here. This is enter here. That's where you pick up your order.
My bad. It's so tiny. Is that coffee?
All around.
Alright, that's breakfast. Lunch is available later.
Yeah. Egg sandwiches. Sausage, egg, and cheese.
Are we sharing? I'm kidding.
Oh, yeah. What's beyond sausage, egg, and cheese? That sounds interesting.
Beyond sausage. No, that's a fake sausage.
Oh, it is. Oh,
Seriously.
oh, that sounded exciting.
It's beyond.
Medium. We'll call 87 outside and pick up like a nice salad.
Look, you can build your own sandwich.
I do a 24 ounce ice.
Deep river chips, spreads,
Yes, please. I'll do a pumpkin with
sausage, egg, and cheese,
You have a pumpkin vanilla in there too.
extra meat.
And then you have almond milk.
Add $2.25.
You need a chai bagel.
Chai bagel. There's the bagels plain, everything sesame, coffee,
Oh,
Asiago.
I didn't see that.
I'll have a medium.
Oh, that's the flavor of the cream
coffee
cheese.
with 1 gram
Yeah.
sugar and a
30.
bacon, egg, and cheese.
Pretty nice. You get to sit
It's actually
outside.
pretty warm.
There's no spots inside, so I don't know what they do in the winter. Maybe they're shut down in the winter?
Or you just order it to go and pick it up and leave.
Yeah, I guess the other one. It's a nice.
It's actually warm. I'm thinking I'm overdressed. But I feel comfortable.
Well, we'll see when we're near all that water.
And I feel comfortable right now.
Yeah.
I feel like I love the pool right now.
Yeah. That's pretty nice. Let's see which one.
Mine? I didn't get bacon. I got ham. And a Asiago.
There. Yeah, I got
Oh, yours looks good.
sausage, bacon, egg,
I'm feeling good.
a tomato basil bagel, and some chive cream
Like
cheese.
cheap ham. It's a yummy ham. There we go. Well,
Good. Chive cream cheese is good.
did you get the real bacon? Or you got the real meat? We got sausage and bacon. Oh yeah.
Yeah. I like it with the cream cheese.
Pretty good. I still, the White Heron is the best. Actually, the other coffee place we went to was better. But this one's good.
Try to be good.
I'm just very snobbish when it comes to my lattes. But this one's good. It's good.
no, not my family. My
Can you see it in the camera? Oh no, am I getting old?
Bags under your eyes from sleeping in the hotel.
Yeah, it's not my cotton sheets. I'm sweating.
So how was the White Mountain Bagel? It was pretty popular. It was getting pretty busy. Line out the door.
I mean, it's not the best bagel I've ever had, but it was a decent sandwich. I almost think that other place was better.
Yeah.
That we went to, the bagel sandwich.
Mountain Breeze.
No, yeah, cafe, Mountainside, Morningside
Cafe.
something like that. It was might have been a little better, but this one had the locations a little bit easier in and out, and it had nice. And it's a day for sitting outside. It's really nice. But I liked it. I have to.
How's the coffee?
Not bad. I don't hate it.
I had a lot of coffee. Anything else? I mean, a lot of different.
Because we're living in a coffee world.
Yeah, but if you don't like coffee, they only have like a poster of like some bottled juices and drinks, Powerade and fruit juices, which didn't bother. Just got water.
It had no tea.
But it feels like they need another exit off that deck because everything funnels. You know, that's where the entrance is. That's where you pick up your food. Everything funnels. It's a choke point. You need another exit or a bigger, broader exit.
Maybe a bigger deck, more seating, because it was getting pretty popular. I can't imagine. This is during the fall. Summer could be even more popular. But it was a really nice little place. It was to me a 7.
7?
Yeah.
That's good.
I didn't hate it. I didn't love it.
It's like 50% of the service there is all coffee. So if it depends on the coffee quality.
Yeah, but I don't know if it depends on the coffee quality because the other place was better. But I think a lot of people just drink coffee and don't know sometimes. I think I'm a coffee snob. Picky. That's only because Ashley made me a coffee snob. Because she was a barista and she made really good stuff and I never experienced it until she made it for me. And then I became a coffee snob because she did such a good job.
No, that's good. At least you have some good
But
taste.
I like it. I like it and I'm having fun. I'm enjoying myself. And it's a beautiful day, beautiful weather. I thought I dressed too much, but I actually dressed perfectly in layers. So I have layers. I have a tank top. I have a lighter thing. I'm learning how to do layers. That's why. Yeah, growing up in Arizona, I never learned to do layers. So it's taken me quite a bit of time to learn.
Yeah, you're always extremes. You're either
because I don't know.
super hot, you're like you put on a big heavy trench coat, or just a little bit of t-shirt.
A little, because I don't know. Arizona's like either a little cold or really hot. I've never experienced the different coldness, but I'm enjoying it.
So 7 from White Mountain.
Yeah, I give it a 7. If you're in the area, if there's a line, go to the Morningside. There's other places, we just didn't see them or go to them.
All right.
But I'm having fun. All right, until the next stream.